Hello, everyone. My name is Sakiko Kawabe from the National Museum of Japanese History. I am also a member of RIPON, the Academic Repository Network in Japan. Today, I would like to talk about our newly started project for creating a crowdsourcing system and community to collect information on local everyday objects. Everyday objects have been collected and preserved as historical and cultural materials in each municipal region in Japan. You can see these exhibitions of old everyday objects in local municipal museums. However, many local museums are poor in detailed records of these objects in their catalogs. For example, some objects lack essential information on how and for what they were used, or who made, used, and donated them and when. Such undescribed collections cannot be utilized in museum exhibitions or other educational or scholarly activities, but just be abandoned. To solve this problem, RIPON started a project and held a first meeting in Shibuya City, aiming to know how effectively we can collect information when informants gather from inside and outside the region, in person and virtually. In the meeting, we take a look at undescribed everyday objects from the Shibuya City Museum one by one. At the same time, participants discussed and recorded on Google Forms what these objects are, and when, where, and how these objects were made and used, sharing any related information from their own experience or knowledge, the internet, or any other sources. On the Google form, we had uploaded photos of objects for online participants, and we showed details of objects using live video camera when online participants requested. We learned the importance and effectiveness of creating a community, including those from outside of the region, by combining online and offline. Based on that, we are now starting up to develop a crowdsourcing system to gather information on local everyday objects from anyone in the world. We assume that those who have everyday object materials and want to open up their information are both private households or informal groups and public organizations such as municipal museums. So firstly, they can create digital catalogs of their everyday object materials with text data and image data to make them open to the public on the system. And other potential knowledge bearers can join, such as researchers, museum curators, field practitioners who use tools and implements for farming, fishing, or any other activities practically, and general citizens who are senior or simply interested in everyday objects. They can provide missing information on the digital catalogs, share and link related information from other sources, or simply comment or do liking. In this way, the online crowdsourcing system can be a platform to share and also search for information and knowledge on everyday objects interactively. We also think it is important to do some events along with the online system. There are two tentative ideas of events. First one is a workshop in offline circumstances to promote the system itself. Second one is a hybrid event to collect information on undescribed everyday objects like we did in Shibuya City. We want anyone who may have knowledge in and beyond the local area to join to fill out missing information. By this event, we can involve especially those who are not online usually and hardly do crowdsourcing voluntarily. Also, we believe that such an event can be an opportunity for exchange between different regions and museums who do not have contact with each other usually. So this is our tentative plan. It would be great if we can receive any comments or questions from you. Thank you for your attention.